Hello friends, today I am excited to present to you a small concept of advanced web designing, focusing on an important tool called XAMPP. So, what exactly is XAMPP? Well, XAMPP is actually an acronym that represents a combination of 5 powerful tools. The X in XAMPP stands for the cross-platform browser tool. This means that XAMPP can be launched on various operating systems such as Windows, Linux, MacOS, and more. The letter A represents Apache, which is the web server software included in XAMPP. Apache is widely recognized as the most popular and trusted web server maintained by the Apache Software Foundation. The M in XAMPP stands for MySQL, the robust and efficient database management system used by XAMPP. MySQL allows you to store and manage your data effectively. It is an open-source solution and highly regarded in the industry. The first P in XAMPP refers to PHP, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a versatile server-side scripting language that is seamlessly integrated with HTML code to interact with the web server. It is open source, works excellently with MySQL, and has become a common choice for web developers worldwide. The second P in XAMPP represents Perl, a high-level programming language specifically designed for tasks like web development and network programming. Perl offers powerful text processing and editing capabilities, making it a valuable addition to XAMPP. Now, let's delve deeper into the concept of XAMPP itself. XAMPP is a free and open-source cross-platform web server solution stack package. It is the perfect tool for setting up a web server locally, right on your own computer system. The best part is that it works seamlessly across various operating systems, and it's completely free to use. With XAMPP, you can easily set up and install an Apache distribution, along with other essential components like MariaDB, PHP, and Perl without requiring an internet connection. Why is having a local web development environment important? Well, it provides an excellent platform for practicing server-side scripting, working with MySQL databases, and creating a staging environment that is completely separate from your live web applications. This separation allows for safe testing and development of your web projects. Moreover, XAMPP offers a relatively painless installation process and provides tools to manage configuration changes effectively. One of the notable tools is PHP which offers a user-friendly GUI for managing your MySQL databases. Now, we're going to install XAMPP on Windows. First, in a browser, we'll go to the XAMPP website, click on the download link, and we'll choose the example for Windows package that contains the version of PHP that we want. I'm going to choose the latest version of PHP, which is the last one here, and click on the download button. We'll save the installation file. And once that file has been saved, we'll run it. And then we're in the XAMPP setup wizard. You might get a user account control warning like this. That's okay. We'll start by clicking Next. And these are the components that we're going to install now. We don't need the FTP server, the mail server, or Tomcat, Perl Webalizer, or fake sendmail. We just need PHP MyAdmin, PHP, MySQL, and Apache, so we'll uncheck the things we don't need. We'll click Next. We'll accept the suggested folder for the installation of XAMPP. We'll uncheck this box because we don't want to know more right at the moment. Click Next, and now we're ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. When we click Next, the installation process will begin. This might take some time depending on your computer. During the installation process, you might get a Windows firewall warning, and what we need to do here is check the private networks box and uncheck the public networks box and click Allow Access. And then the installation has completed, so we'll click Finish. Select our desired language, and here we have the XAMPP control panel. Now, before we start the web server, first we need to configure a folder where we're going to be working. This is where we're going to put our PHP code. This can be any folder you like. I've created a folder called www in the Documents folder, but you can create a folder wherever you want. What you need to do when you have this folder is copy the address of this folder. Then we'll go back to the XAMPP control panel and click on the config button, which is next to Apache here. and click on the first line Apache httpd-conf. This is the main Apache configuration file. In this file, you need to scroll all the way down. To this line that says document root and change the value here to the path of the folder you just chose. The same with the following line that says directory. We'll save that file. And now we can start the Apache web server and the MySQL database server. When you start MySQL, you might get another Windows firewall warning. Again, we'll check the private networks box and uncheck the public networks box and click allow access. So now we have XAMPP installed, ready to start learning PHP. Thank you for joining me today and learning about XAMPP. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. Stay tuned for the next video, where we dive into the exciting realm of PHP with XAMPP. Until then, happy coding!